What's going on, everyone? Derrikmonster back in with the video, and today I'm going to Dairy Queen. So Dairy Queen has their new summer blizzard menu out, and one of the blizzards that they have on the menu is their new Girl Scout Thin Mints blizzard. Now, I love Thin Mints, so I'm excited to try this blizzard. But as always, I got my mask, and I'm gonna head to Dairy Queen. I'll see you when I get there. Okay, everyone, I made it to Dairy Queen. I'm gonna head to the drive-thru and get my blizzard.
Hello, welcome to Disfigure. What can I get for you?
Could I get your Girl Scout Thin Mints blizzard?
What size?
Just a small.
Anything else?
No, that'd be it.
I'll see you at the window.
Thank you. Okay, everyone, I'm back from Dairy Queen. I have my Thin Mint blizzard right here. As you can see, it's kind of melted because I did have to drive back. But yeah, let's get a close-up of this. Okay, everyone, so here's the blizzard. Obviously, it's kind of green for that mint flavor, you know. But you also got those thin mint cookies in, as you can see. But yeah, I'm excited to try this, so let's get into that. Okay, everyone, let's get into this blizzard. Let's try it. Let's get just a good scoop. Let's do this. It's definitely got that mint flavor. And the cookies do taste like Thin Mints, so it all comes together. Pretty good. It's so good. I love Thin Mints. So I'm sorry I'm not saying anything. It's just like so good. I need to stop before I just sit here and eat the whole thing on camera. Dairy Queen, the Thin Mint Girl Scout Thin Mints blizzard. It's good, honestly. Honestly, if you like Thin Mints, definitely go and check this out yourself. Cause it's good. It tastes exactly like Thin Mints, you know. The cookies there, and you can also add the mint flavor from the ice cream. So it's good all together. Definitely recommend you guys go and check this out, because I enjoy this. Honestly, I'm gonna enjoy this better than I did the Frosted Animal cookie, just because I like Thin Mints so much, you know. But yeah, pretty good. Definitely recommend you guys check it out for yourself. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on next time. Bye.